You can't imagine the sensation that Trump has created all over the world. Did you ever think in your life that Trump would sign such a document, after which Indians, especially those who are in large numbers in America, would be able to marry their wives, and that deliveries would start happening before time? And not just Indians, but people of many other nationalities, though the number one among them is Indians. Now, what has happened? Please understand this. See the scene as something like this, and these are very strange situations. As you all know, Trump refused and said that from today onwards, I'm going to end this law. He declared that whatever drama used to happen in any country will not happen in our country. Trump actually said, I am going to abolish the birth law. Now, you all know what the birth law is. In fact, if any illegal person lived in America, especially those illegal immigrants who lived in large numbers, whether they came on a visa or were called by someone, or reached America by any means, and after going there, they took their wives with them, stayed for 6 months or 7 years, and after that, when the wife became pregnant, they could have their delivery done there. Afterward, they could stay for a few days, then get a passport for the child. When the child turned 21 years old, the parents would also get nationality. Trump said this drama should not continue, and we will not allow this to happen. People should not come here and lie down for this. Now, understand the situation. What happens, especially in India, is that when people get married, they often receive a dowry package, which sometimes includes 80 lakhs. The groom goes abroad, works or studies, and after that, he calls his wife over. She gives birth to a child, and then the child is eligible for nationality. If you take your nationality and go back to India, this situation becomes very strange. Now, understand what has happened. Once Trump's signature is on the document, the law will be implemented. From today onwards, any child born in America will not get a passport. They will not be a citizen. Think about it. Whether it happens in a week, 2 days, 15 days, or a month, this will happen any time. Especially for Indians who went there but do not have passports, they are either residents or tourists. They went on a visa, and when the World Cup was held in America, many pregnant women were there. In this situation, deliveries started happening early. Doctors started performing C-sections for early deliveries, which is very dangerous. Imagine getting a delivery done early with the idea that you will get citizenship for your child. This is a dangerous practice that harms the mother and the child. Preterm deliveries and early C-sections increase the risk of lung issues, brain development problems, and other serious health concerns, including learning disabilities. The immune system of such a child remains weak, and they may have digestive issues, vision problems, and other long-term health risks. The mother also faces serious issues and risks, including the possibility of death during labor. Many Indians have celebrated Trump's arrival, but now they are cursing him because of the consequences. In the long run, this will lead to disastrous outcomes. These practices are happening on a large scale in India, and people who invested a lot of money in this system are now regretting it. Trump is currently talking to 18,000 illegal Indians who should be sent back. They have caught 1,500 people who entered the US through the Mexican border. Trump said that if even one person crosses the border, thousands of soldiers will be sent to catch them. The army is now stationed at the border, and they are securing it. Now, the real issue is what will happen with this law. They are going to challenge it in court, but Trump has already made it clear that he will take strict action. The truth is, America was populated when the Red Indians were chased away and the white settlers took over. Now, Trump is worried about the domination of immigrants, particularly Indians, in major sectors. This is why the practice of coming to America, giving birth to a child, and then going back with the child's passport needs to stop. This issue is also prevalent in Canada, where similar restrictions are being imposed. The current situation indicates that these issues will worsen in the future. People are creating their own problems by following these risky practices. Trump is sending a clear message: if anyone wants to go through this process, it's their choice, but the government will not support it. In conclusion, the current situation will have significant long-term impacts. The changes will affect not just America, but also countries like India. Don't forget to subscribe to RN Reality Reporter, like and share the video, and express your opinion in the comment section.